Hi everyone,
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone,
My name is Hina Chopra.
this is Ayush Katyal.
I am Dr. Soumya Nagula.
I was a part of batch 2003.
I am an alumni of 2006 batch.
And I am from the class of 2009.
I'm shooting this video from Toronto, Canada.
Currently pursuing my post-graduation in dermatology at AIIMS Bhopal.
I am currently residing in Toronto, Canada.
DPS Maruti Kunj completing 25 years is a big milestone amongst many to come.
And I just got to know that DPS Maruti Kunj has its Silver Jubilee, 25 years.
I just can't believe it's been 25 years.
Today, on this auspicious day when my alma mater, DPS Maruti Kunj, celebrates its Silver Jubilee, I have a lot of emotions in my heart.
I still remember the first day when we actually went to a classroom which was in a Maruti Kunj flat, and it just feels like yesterday.
I will always remember my first day in school as a 4-year-old when I joined in 1998.
I can't believe it. It feels like only yesterday that I was a part of the school.
On this day, I'd like to thank DPS Society and Maruti for envisioning the school which was home to so many of us. I'd like to thank my teachers for molding masterpieces of us individuals and for giving us truckload of memories which has made our school life the best that it could be.
The first school is always a special one because that's where you learn the basics of life, and I would not be lying if I say I am where I am because of our dear school, DPS Maruti Kunj. Once again, congrats on this great achievement. Love and respect to all our dear teachers, and wish the school many more to come.
I remember our school had always been very different. It had arranged always everything on its own, be it annual day, sports day, or numerous other celebrations. It was a strong foundation laid during my formative years in the school that has made me who I am today. I will always be indebted to my teachers, especially Sonali ma'am, Shalini ma'am, Gurpreet ma'am, Joy ma'am, and the list goes on, and also the supporting staff of the school.
I was in the school for almost 7 years, so I did my grade 3rd to grade 10th, in the school. And I think, the school kind of made my personality. It totally made who I am today. What my values are, and how do I deal in my daily life every day. So I think the school played a key role in shaping the person who I am today. And thanks to all my teachers, the principal, whoever worked so hard with us throughout that time. I'd also like to make a special shout out to a couple teachers that I would never forget. So I know Ritu Malik ma'am is still a part of the school, and she was kind of one of my favorite teachers, and she kind of played an important part, in kind of teaching us, history lessons, but also life lessons, I would say. And also, I would like to make a shout out to Chara Roy ma'am. I know, she's somewhere here in Canada, but she was one of my favorite teachers, and she was an awesome teacher.
I'd also like to remember my classmates, some of whom are lifelong friends now.
The school has given me my dearest friends and numerous memories that I will cherish throughout my life.
Again, congrats on this great achievement. Love and respect to all our dear teachers, and wish the school many more to come. Thanks.
I'd just like to congratulate the school one more time. I can't believe it, it's 25 years, but great job to all the teachers, principal, all the staff, who's kind of brought the school to that level. So congratulations once again. Thank you.
Long live my school, and I hope to see the school again during the Golden Jubilee.
I'd like to congratulate everyone associated with our school for completing the Silver Jubilee. Thank you.
25 glorious years have sailed past in a wonder called DPS MK. I had the good fortune to join this institution in the year 2000, and after having served for 15 years, these 15 years have been wonder years of my life with many sweet memories. On the occasion of the silver anniversary, I pay my tribute to this glorious institution. 25 years young DPS MK. Foraying into the portals magnificent, greeted by abundant green, felt as if I had reached a golden moment to be etched eternal with all its sheen. True to the feeling exotic, in the year 2000, I was embraced by an ambience hypnotic that swayed my soul with bliss God sent. I found friends who turned my lifeline, along with pupils chirpy, smiling, loving, for whom my heart still does pine, and my book of life got printed with emotions gushing. This temple of learning now thrives and is energized with 1,000 young souls spirited, itching to fly high. Now that the silver moment has arrived, many memories, sweet and merry, flash by. Loving souls, naughty with childish mischiefs, looking for all excuses to bunk or hide. Some at water points lingering as if the undone homework would simply be ignored or set aside. Some munching samosas at the cafe at odd times would cover up their truancy, ma'am, as a free period, only to be rewarded with 5 rounds to digest the enzymes. And huffing, puffing, sweating, they would plan to cook up alibis myriad. Annual days, competitions, scholar badge ceremonies, all were painted in colors of joy. As the campus bubbled with a spirit ecstatic, all eager to lift the trophies and bundle back home, confident, proud, happy, not at all coy. The corridors are still laden with the footsteps of those who passed out, with glory to school, to themselves and family. They still reside in our hearts, and proudly we shout, "You are ours, you are ours," a bond strengthened with love truly.